sugar. I have not seen you here before. What brings you here?
A session on AI and, also tea?
Stan, we are live! The World Tea Expo wants your video. Pay attention, dude.
Las Vegas, the vibrant city of lights, hosts the World Tea Expo, a gathering for tea lovers, innovators, and experts from around the globe. As you step inside, the energy is palpable. Booths brim with new flavors, and passionate conversations fill the air. Here, tea transcends its role as a mere beverage and becomes a symbol of community and connection. Ever thought of tea in a cocktail shaker? Dive into the art of tea-based mocktails. Watch as bartenders craft vibrant drinks, proving that tea is not just for sipping, it's an experience to savor. Join Oscar Brekel for a masterclass in Japanese tea. Witness the precision and tradition of matcha and sencha preparation, as attendees eagerly take notes from this tea connoisseur. The true magic unfolds in shared laughter, handshakes, and clinking teacups. It's about sharing tea, ideas, and forming lasting connections in this warm community. Great tea deserves great storytelling. Discover marketing insights and strategies to elevate the business side of tea. Tea unites us, from leaf to cup, transforming strangers into friends. Until the next World Tea Expo, keep brewing those connections.